So actually Swayam offering 500 plus courses, you can see here. Okay, so for you, department has decided, because in the next semester you will have strength of material subject. Okay, as the learning assignment component, you need to complete this course. Okay, and you should get the certificate. Okay, and assignments you need to submit regularly, and so that you will be getting your LA marks. Okay, so it's compulsory for everyone, and I'll show you how to register and all now. Okay. So what you need to do is, I'll be sharing you the link. Okay, you need to just click that or copy paste it in the web browser. Okay, so go here and just paste it here, or directly click that link, so that you will get the website directly. You will be directed to the website. All of you are able to see the screen, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Yes,
as you
sir.
copy paste it and press enter, so you will be directed to this website here like this. Okay. And what you need to do is, first you should click sign in or register. Okay. So click that, and then use your college email ID and Google account, through Google account. So type your email ID. So mine is, I'm just typing mine, nmit.ac.in only. Okay, don't log in through or register through some other email ID. If there are any problem signing in with college email ID, let me know. Okay, I'll try to solve the problem. Okay, and click this one, click next. Okay, and enter your password. So afterwards, it'll ask for continue. You just click continue. Right? So you are logged in. Okay. So then what you need to do is, you search for strength of material subject, or once again, if you want to, you can click the other link which is there, which I've sent. You can click once again, it will lead you directly to that, or just type, search strength of material, whatever, half. So you'll be redirected to that link. Okay. So you can see here, it's a 12-week course and starts from 20th July 2020. And your final exam date will be 18th October 2020. All of you can able to see here. And enrollment ends by 27th July. Okay. So though the course starts by 20th, so 1 week extra time they have given for any late registrations as well. But I insist, we all of us, we insist you to register before 20th only. Okay. So click that one, click that link, and then you click join. Okay, you just click join, and so mine data will be filled automatically. What you need to do is, if in case actually earlier I have registered, so this will be filled. Otherwise, your details might not have filled. You just click or enter the details. Otherwise, if already there, if you wanted to edit something, you click edit profile. Okay, and if you want to change anything, you can change. And after that, you click on these two. I agree, Swayam, and I agree to follow the honor code. Okay, and just click update profile and join the course. That's it. So after that, so you will be redirected to this page where you can see all the details. Okay, so the details of the strength of materials, why it is so, and then you will be having with a code. I mean the link for course URL. You can click this and you can attend all the courses. Okay, you can. I'll just afterwards I'll go to that. Okay, so every week you will have 2.5 to 4 hours of video lectures which will be there. You need to watch, learn, and they will be giving you some assignments. You need to submit them frequently, as and when they are due. Okay, you just need to complete them. So exam will be there 18th October. You need to take. So actually, taking up exam is optional, but we just made it as a department has made it as compulsory. You need to take up exam and pay the 1,000 rupees fees and take up the exam. And so minimum marks for passing is actually 40 by 100, but there are other classes as well. So out of for the assignment, 10 out of 25 you should score. Exam score should be 30 by 75, and but the total score should be 40. Even sometimes if this score, if it is greater than 40, if some other out of these two, if one is lesser also, you will fail. You will be told as fail. Okay, so these two should be minimum 10, minimum 30. Okay, and it can be actually the total should be 40. A student will be failed if he gets average assignment score as 5 and here 35. Even then the total marks will be actually 40, but he will be failed. So minimum assignment marks 10, exam score 30. Okay, so that is what after you complete these things, you will be getting the certificate, and which you need to send it across. Okay, so this is the
This is linked for your LA.
yes,
Sir,
madam.
please tell that. This is linked for your LA marks.
Yes, madam. So, madam's end, she will tell something. Okay, madam. Continue.
This is linked for LA marks, LA of your strength of material subject. So you have to take up this course, and if you pass in that only, the thing will be considered as positive for your LA. Okay. So again, don't put yourself into trouble. And one more, Bharti Prasad madam, she is going to coordinate for all NPTEL courses. Okay, for the entire department, she is coordinating. So she'll be sharing the Google Sheets for you, and once you register there, it will be updated in her sheet. Okay, I've asked her also today to connect to the meet, but somehow she has not joined. But anyway, she'll be sharing that Google Sheet in the group for both P and Q section. Okay, once you register with, as sir said, with your college ID only.
Ma'am,
You have to register with
here
Bharti,
only,
you're there?
Yeah,
Bharti. Okay,
Good
so
evening,
madam will be there. Bharti Prasad, good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. You can hear, no, Bharti? You're
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to hear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I can do that.
Okay. So students, you have to direct to madam only. Okay. So she is in charge for the department for all NPTEL courses. And she's maintaining the record of all the batch students and what are the courses you are registering and what is the status of that. Okay. So madam will take care of that, and we will be monitoring how far you are attending all the classes and how you are going to submit your assignments. So the assignment, as sir said, you have to submit it regularly. Okay. So take the thing seriously, though it is holiday, vacation, whatever you call for that. But from 20th of this month, the classes will start. And this is there for all the year. That means for you second year, third year is again compulsory Swayam course, and fourth year again NPTEL course. So all the students of all the years, that means second year, third year, final year, you have to take one compulsory course like this out of your curriculum. Okay, you have to attend the video lectures and you have to write the assignment and score the marks. Compulsory it is. Okay. Bharti, you have anything to
ma'am.
tell? You can share.
Yeah, madam already shared the link. Okay, madam, please proceed.
No, sir, this is fine. You have told all the thing. Just for your students' convenient, I would like to add that there is also in Google Play Store you will get the app, okay, Swam app. So from the mobile only you can see and upload the assignment, all the thing. Every time you may not need to go to the browser. That you can download the app. That will be convenient for the student, no, to use. If you want,
Okay.
I don't know if I can share.
I
You
think
can just-
Manjunath sir will help them if they want anything like that. You
Ah.
can ask sir because he has shown how to go about and register everything. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Students, please say yes or no something. Otherwise, it will be only we three talking. Is it okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Very
Yes,
nice, very
yes, ma'am.
nice. So
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt you can call up or WhatsApp in the group. All three of us are there in the group P and Q section.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manjunath sir, Bharti Prasad ma'am and myself.
Ma'am, how many
Okay.
assignments will be there, ma'am?
There will be 12
Bharti.
assignments. There will be total 12 assignments, and they will be taking best of 8 assignments. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
And
And final one exam would be shared.
final there will be exam on 18th. So there will be nodal coordinates. Okay, I mean coordinators. So their exam will be conducted. Okay. Ours in Nitya Meenakshi is also one nodal coordination center. So you can write the exam. So to attend the courses, you should go to course here. Go to course here. After you click here, if you click here, you will go. It will be redirected there. So just click go to course, and the assignments, classes, videos will be put. Everything will be here. So every time, every week, videos will be put here. You can just click them and attend the courses. Okay. And now, as of now, so what you need to do is you have to register by using the procedure what I have explained, and after that I'll be sending one link which was forwarded by Bharti Prasad madam. So what you need to do is copy that link, okay, and paste it in your web browser or just click in your mobile. So it will ask you or it will bring redirect to fill the form. Okay. So you first enter your email ID, and this email ID should be college email ID only. Okay. So then you need to fill all these details. Okay. So here you need to fill your name. So this was the circular sent by principal sir, saying that LA is compulsory for third semester. I mean compulsory. Okay. So you can fill these details. USN number, semester, section, all that, and course register is you just click here and select strength of metals, and here confirmation email. Okay. What you need to do is after you fill the you register for the course, you will be receiving one confirmation email from Swayam or NPTEL, like this one. So you can see here, welcome to NPTEL online course, like this. What do? You take snapshot of this. Okay. Snapshot of this and send it. It will be saved as JPG, right? So that file you need to upload here. Attach file you upload here, whatever snapshot you get it. Okay. So this is the must. So after registering, you fill this form and including this copy of that file. Okay. Attach that copy of the file. Okay. Any doubts? Anybody?
No, sir.
That comes from your registration. That's all. Okay.
So 1 minute, I would like to add one thing.
Yeah, madam.
So
Please.
that they can take snapshot, or otherwise, if you see that in email where the subject is there, then one print is there. Okay, if they take the print PDF, it's because it will all the content will come.
Correct. Yeah, that also. Yeah, you can go here. So you three dots will be there. You just click here, and you can click print. Okay. So that will be there here, and it includes your name also will come here. So that will be most convenient for us. So your name and your email ID will also be there. This will be actually we prefer this actually, not screenshot. Okay, you take print, and this details will come, and print it, save it as a PDF. So okay, you write. You save it with your USN number. That will be good. Okay, something USN number only. USN number and name. So better USN number and name, so that we will be clearly knowing about that. Okay, save it and upload here. You can just upload the PDF file by selecting the file and browsing it. Okay. So any doubt, madam? That's all, madam.
Yes, sir. Right.
I think we have covered everything, sir.
Yeah. So those who have missed the are unable to attend the meeting, definitely within half an hour you will be getting that video. Okay, we'll be sharing that video, and so they can actually watch the video, and they can do the registration. And for them, if there is any doubt, they can contact me and Pratima madam. Q section students, you can contact madam, and P section, you contact me.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, one more thing. Now I have sent like that one Google form for registration detail.
Yeah.
Similarly, whenever the assignment will come, each time a Google form will be created, and they have to upload the assignment like that, marks, assignment marks, and PDF, because LA marks has to be given based on assignment. So
Yes,
even we should
madam.
have the record. So later on also, like a student have to keep filling like this Google form.
Correct, madam.
Okay. Side by side,
So
add.
we will do that
Parallelly.
so that all the assignment will be there at one place, all the files. That way we will create, madam. Okay,
Yes, sir.
correct.
Okay.
Students, any doubt?
So that's all from our end. If there is any doubt, you can ask us.
Or else I think everything is almost conveyed.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
So those who
What
joined
about the
late,
final exam?
some of you might have joined late. You just put your presence in the chat section. Okay. Okay. Somebody was asking question. Komal. Komal.
No, sir.
Okay.
So what about our final exam?
This semester one.
Hey, don't worry.
That is not the platform to ask here.
Now NPTEL is very important.
Yeah. We don't
Not
know
final
about that
exam.
and all.
Like the exam can happen anytime, but you have to complete your engineering, no? So first we will complete. Exam can be time anytime. You have 4 year time no, to take exam.
See, this one is not in our hand. NPTEL is not in college hand. Okay. So on time you have to register. Then don't tell I forgot. Okay, I didn't do this. I didn't do that. So college exam is later. That we will see how it will happen. But this NPTEL is not in our hand. As per the due, as sir said, you have to finish your registration, and that will be monitored from Bharti ma'am's record. Okay. Yeah. So madam will be updating us. So how many students have registered? How many have not registered? So from tomorrow onwards, you can start from now only. Okay. You can start registering if network is good, everything. So we'll be monitoring on a regular basis, both P and Q section. Okay. Okay, students.
Yes, ma'am.
If there are no doubt, we will end the meeting.
Okay.
Ma'am,
If there are no doubts,
ma'am, if you had any doubts in the subject, where can ask the
Subject, yeah.
you can
actually,
ask.
Yeah, they have specifically they have mentioned. You can see here. So if there are any doubts, as also there are some meetings which will be there. I'll show you. They will address even that as well. Okay, discussion forum will be there. You can everyone can ask the question, interact. Okay, anyone who knows the answer will reply there. Okay.
Sir, one thing is that they can ask from NPTEL. Apart from that, also one subject teacher will be there from the college. We will actually the semester has not started, therefore we have not allotted which faculty will take. We will discuss with HOD sir which faculty will take next semester strength of material. That faculty will be a guide for you for this semester. Okay. So any doubt that college faculty also will be with you
Also
for,
will be there. Yes.
and also as sir told that NPTEL forum is also there. So that faculty name we will tell us. I will also disclose you after discussion with HOD sir, which faculty will be in charge for strength of material.
Okay. Correct.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. For
Any more doubts?
That's all, students. No doubts.
No, ma'am.
I hope you
Okay,
are all
fine.
well. Staying at home, right?
Yeah. So keep yourself safe. Okay. All of you. So eat healthy things. Stay safe at home.
So then, if
Okay.
that's the case, we will end the meeting.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.